experiences. But this cake represents all of the other blessings that we pray they'll receive in the years and decades to come. Say natin, blessings of love, blessings of good health, blessings of long life, blessings of success in their profession, blessings of fertility. Sabi ni Sir, gusto niya ng equation. I'll give an equation for you. Pagdating ng honeymoon, it's not 2. It's 1 plus 1 equals 3. Let's see. Sana. Okay, go ahead. Yeah. Thank you very much, attorney. Yeah. Make a nice wedge of cake. Yeah. Very neat.